You know that registration for JAMB is ongoing, so I want you to pay attention to this video because I want to share with you an experience that somebody just shared. One of us in this channel just shared on how she registered her own JAMB. Now today I want to share her experience, so I will play her voice and I want you to pay attention. At the end of this video, you can ask me your question if you're having any issues with your own JAMB registration. Her voice will start playing very soon, and I will just be scrolling around the videos we have posted for you on the channel. But I don't want you to be carried away, right? I just want you to focus on her story. Learn one or two things, then ask me your questions. At the end of this video, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I will also give you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, and guide you in any way you are having issues. Remember, at the end of this video, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, at the end of this video, I can give you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, and answer your questions. But let us introduce her so that she can share with us her experience in JAMB office today. Just listen to her voice.
Yes, sir. When I got there, the crowd was so much. Although I went early, but most people came earlier before me. I got there by 6. I got there exactly 6:47. When I got there, they were taking they were writing down the names. They were writing down the names of people there, but I was not able to write down my name because they said the person selling the e-pin. Most people they have already gotten their e-pin. They've just not filled the form. So they said the person selling the e-pin has not arrived at that time. And someone in that line with me is a close friend of mine. He took me to where I would get the e-pin. It's still the same amount, 7,200 for everything. But when I got there, I paid 7,500. I paid 7,500 just to get that e-pin. The e-pin just consists of all your registration, including your reading text, which is the Lekki headmaster. When I got there, I paid the money. I paid the 7,500, and the person that attended to me gave me the form. I filled the form. It's the normal JAMB form. I filled the form. He provided the e-pin for me. He generated the e-pin for me rather. And he said I should go back there for my thumb printing and go back to the office. I went to River State University, like in Port Harcourt in River State. I went there for the registration. He told me to go back there for my thumb printing and everything. So I went back there. The crowd was too much. But a friend of mine helped me. The person that took me to the place for that e-pin, the guy also helped me. We went inside. It's just the normal process, just that the crowd was too much and they were like picking the obedient ones. They were picking the obedient ones to register. Even when I finished registering, when I left them, even the people that were in the crowd before me, because they picked me out, they said everybody should stay in a line. Stay in the straight line, don't move out of your line. So they just looked around and picked the ones that followed instructions. I was among the ones they picked. I just went inside. I gave them they said I should fill another form. So I just kept that form.
Okay, just keep watching.
I just kept it in my file, and they gave me a new form. I filled it, although it's still the same form. I just filled the one they gave me, and I gave to them. They took my snapshot. They did it on printing and everything, and they gave me they printed out the slip, and they gave me with the Lekki headmaster. So after I came out, I just came directly to work. I'm just happy with my experience today because even when I got there in the morning, I was already feeling discouraged when that girl told me that she has been coming since the day of the registration, which is on the 3rd of February. She said she has been coming there every single day except on Sundays, and they've not even attended to her. She really got her e-pin. I'm just happy. I'm just happy because he was kind of active. He was active, was just following everything up and up. So anywhere he goes, you just pull me along, and I just thank God for him because he's the one that helped me out today. And I just thank God for the smooth system also, because there was no network issue. I didn't hear anything about them having network issues. I just thank God for everything today. Everything just went smoothly. I think way too smoothly for me. Way too smoothly for me. I just thank God. I just met people that helped me. And I'm so happy. Even when she was explaining her experience to me, I was already feeling scared because I'm working for someone. It's not like I'm still at home with my parents. I'm working for someone, and I had to take excuse from my madam. So coming back to work and telling my madam I'm still going back the next day will sound somehow. I'm just happy with everything today. I'm just happy. I just thank God for everything.
Okay, you must feel inspired. Why? She has been following our channel, and I've been urging her on. Today she was able to do her own registration, and she's giving us this testimony. Right now, it should be an inspiration for you. Have you done your own registration? If you have not done your own registration, please let me know. If you have not done your own JAMB registration, comment under the video and let me know. If you have done your own registration, please also let me know so that you can also share your stories with us. Are you with me? If you have done your own JAMB registration, please let me know. Like I always say, this JAMB exam is so important. It's not something any of you should play with. It's not something we should even joke around with. My goal in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel is that all of you following this channel will score at least 300 plus in your JAMB. You will say come back and give me your testimony, like she just came back now and gave her own testimony. You will say come back and give me your own testimony. So I want you to take everything we are doing in this channel so seriously. If you have done your own registration, feel free to share your experience with me. Just drop a comment and say I have done my own JAMB registration and I want to share my own story. If you want to share your experience, let me know. If you have not done your own and you are stranded in any way, also comment and tell me the issue you are having. Remember, one of the books that is compulsory for you in this exam is Lucky Headmaster, and I've done quite a lot. I've done videos on how to get your JAMB EP, and I've done how you can buy it online, how you can buy from OPay. I've done a lot of videos on Lucky Headmaster. I've given you expo questions on use of English, on mathematics, on economics, on your JAMB subjects. So if you need me to give you free JAMB past questions, I can do it for you. Let me know. What you just need to do is to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. So like this video, share this video, click on subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Remember, if you have done your own registration, let me know, and you are willing to share your experience. If you have not done, also let me know. Watch the next video on your screen now.